How's it going, you guys? Today is December 28th, 2018, and pretty much I'm just gonna show you guys what I do as a stay-at-home wife. I made curry chicken my way. Pretty much I made curry chicken my way. It's my first time making it. I don't know how it's gonna turn out, but I just made rice with it. And I'm about to roll out my sugar cookies that me and Charles made on Christmas. So today, for December 28, 2018, I had to upload a video because today is Friday. On my main channel, I upload every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. And I try to upload on this channel every Monday. But I want to start trying to incorporate Monday, Wednesday, Fridays as well, but it's just I don't know what to talk about on here. But I suppose so. I upload a video because I mean it means a lot that the couple of you that do watch this, it means a lot. But this channel was technically it was literally started for my parents because my parents live in Kansas and I moved to Seattle with my husband. So this channel is just kind of like, hey mom, dad, look what I'm doing, this is what this is what that is. But since it's gonna become just a little bit more and I have people that's actually caring and watching, like a lot of you guys are watching, I am going to try to upload more frequently on here. I'm gonna get back into my homeless videos, but like I said before, I just had to take a break on them. So and I will not probably be able to tell you the dates that a lot of those videos took place because it happened 3 years ago, going on 4 years ago. We were homeless because we were homeless from 2015 to 2017, and now that it's supposed to be 2019, yeah, it will be almost 3-4 years ago, because if you think about 2015 when we were actually homeless, that is 4 years from that point. So yeah, I get back into those videos, but I just wanted to kind of show you guys, like, I'm just cooking and trying stuff out, and I got my oven on to roll out these sugar cookies. Well, what else can I tell you guys? Oh, so for today, Friday, I surprised my husband with these books. Yeah, he likes The Fifth Wave. What's the book he reads? The Fifth Wave. Some other book he reads. I just bought it. Oh, The Darkest Minds. Like, he likes books like that. I'm not the reader, so he reads books. He reads the books and he reads the books to me. I don't know. I love to listen to books, but I don't necessarily care to, like, that's just a lot. I'm fit to just roll out the cookies over here on my table. I got the flour in my 2 pans. I guess I can turn on this light, but I don't want to break it, so I don't know, my lighting may not be the best in here. I just see how it works, but I'm gonna just roll out these cookies. I'm cooking Charles's lunch right now. I bought some new Tupperware for his lunch. Oh, I got them at Ross. They were like, one of was $3.99, the other was $5.99. So I spent $20 on like 40 things of Tupperware. Any females out there, you got your husband, you make his food for lunch, and then you be like, where's the Tupperware containers at? Like, there were over 40 of them. Where are they? I don't know. It's like, really though? Really? So what am I supposed to put your food in when I get done cooking it? What am I supposed to do? I don't know. So I just go out and buy some more. Some of them break, so I can't really say that it's all of his fault, but some of them do break. So let me get the cookies. Oh my gosh, these cookies has been in the refrigerator for like a couple of days. This is not going to be easy to roll out. Wow. I didn't know if you could preserve the cookies Maybe I should just leave them in this bag and let them get a little warm. I made these by scratch. I don't know if I'm going to be showing you guys the I'll show you guys the finished result. I need to just stop. I'm going to try to show y'all the finished result. If not, I take a picture and you can see what it looks like when I take a picture. But I went and got him his books while I'm trying to finish my sentences and stuff. Yeah, I'm not good with finishing my sentences. Got his books today from Barnes & Noble. I went, he don't know that I got them. And then I went to the library because I don't have internet in my home yet. And I don't know, I kind of like going to the library, but the homeless people, I don't know, I just don't like necessarily sitting in the chairs because they sleep in the chairs. And I had this real crazy run-in with this homeless guy. I was sitting in one of the little booths, like one of the little chairs, the cuticles, because it has walls up on these chairs, right? Once again, not finishing my sentence about telling you guys what I did today, but anyhow, he walked across. He didn't have bags. This homeless guy, he didn't have bags. And he walked back like he was going for like maybe 2 minutes, and then he walked right back in front of my chair. Then he comes back across, but this time he has on like 2 coats, big old backpack, like a couple little I don't know, like store bags or whatever, and he has them hanging from his backpack. And I'm sitting in front of this little table, and I've seen the homeless people pull the chair up to their table, because I don't know why they do that, but they like crunch up and sleep in the chair with the table up against their chair. Anyways, make a long story short, the second time he walked past with all his crap, he kicked the table from in front of my chair all the way over to the wall as he was walking across, and didn't even sit in the chair next to me. And then just kept walking. I don't know where he went, but my video was uploaded, so I got the hell up out of there. I was just like, no. What? And then there was like 5 other people that was sitting across from me, like in front of me. 2 females looked at him, and then one of them started kind of laughing like what in the world? I was so through. So pretty much when I upload videos, I try to upload them from my car. I sit in my car, and if you don't notice, good tip, we learned this from being homeless, you can hook up your computer, tablet, whatever. If you don't feel like going inside the library, if you park up close to the door, because they have parking stalls that you can park close to the door, you can actually hook up to the internet. So that's how I upload my videos, is going to the library and I upload my videos. So yeah, sometimes I'll be at the library for 2 to 3 hours just to give you guys videos. So yeah, and then like sometimes it's always Friday. It's the difficult video to upload. It's always trying to get out of the house on Friday. I don't know why, but it's difficult. And all of my Fit to Fits Friday videos, they're literally recorded on Thursday, and then I upload that video on Friday. So if you're wondering, the Fit to Fit Friday videos are always recent, like very current. My other hair videos are not current. I keep forgetting your name, but I did put it in my other video about the date. On this channel, I will tell you guys what day it is, blah, 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 blah. Because I was kind of looking at some of my older videos like, dang, man, I wish I would have known what day I actually recorded that video on. So thank you for that. I didn't think you guys really care, but thank you for the feedback, because that's the only way I'm going to make my channel better, if I know exactly what you guys want to see. I ain't going to be doing nothing crazy, but I'm just being me. But, yeah, I will say the dates at the beginning of the videos. I can do that on this channel. My main channel, girl, literally, I record sometimes depending on what type of video it is. Like if it's a style video or something like this, I don't know. It's like I can record 2 videos if it's a style video like this. But other videos, like my box braid videos, I will record between 3 to 7 videos in one day. So it's called batch producing videos, and that's the way that I've been able to upload so frequently over on my channel, because just I'm literally figuring this YouTube crap out by myself, watching YouTube videos. I'm trying to figure it out by myself. So like leaving links in the description box and leaving links to videos and stuff, I don't quite understand that part yet, but I'm still just figuring out everything by myself. And you know, it's cool, it's whatever. I can do it, just as long as you guys get the point, the message that I'm trying to get out there. So yeah, it's getting hot as cheese in here because I got the oven on. And I got the oven on thinking that I was going to be Miss Smarty Pants and be able to roll this out, but I can't. But yeah, that's the judge on the dates and me not being able to tell you on my main channel. On this channel I can tell you the exact date, but on my main channel I can't. Not all the time, unless it's a fit to fit and I'm cooking, then I tell you like I did last time, but not every time. Every time on this channel I will, girl. I will. Ah! The cookie situation is gonna just, yeah. Basically this is kind of like just a little talk through video. And then recording outside. I go to the gym every morning. Well, I am going to try to do something new and actually work out in here. Hold on. Gotta check my chicken. Can't be burning my chicken. I think this is done. This is so done. My workout. I want to try to start working out in here. Now that I am 145, 146, I want to see if I can lose my last 11 pounds. Mostly working out at home. When we switch locations, because we switch locations frequently, my other location is like 35-40 minutes away from the gym. Where I am now is literally like 10 to 15 minutes up the street, or 10 to 15 minutes from the gym. When I get back over to the other location, I'm just gonna kind of be SOL, so I'm gonna have to try to wing it anyways. So I want to see if I can actually be successful at losing these last 11 pounds more in the house. I'm going to go to the gym 2 or 3 times out of 5 days and see how my body works with that. So really quickly, this is what my curry chicken is looking like. I don't know what it tastes like, but this is what it's looking like. Let me see how it tastes. Wow. That's stupid good. That is stupid good. I made this for my husband. But I've been craving curry chicken. Don't know why. I do know why. Because Eve is supposed to come. And I just find the most randomest stuff that I want to eat on Eve. But I have like, my side effects start like 10 days before she actually comes. And it's normally food. Like a day I'll be like, yeah, I want to taste this. I just want to taste it. Now I taste it. I sure do. But I make it myself instead of going to the store, buying it or something like that. Man, I make a mean fresh salmon and rice dish with some stir fry on the top of it. Oh, I'm gonna have to show y'all that too. But this is good. Wow. So much better than the store. I will show y'all how I make it, but I know I don't want to offend nobody's culture and how it's actually supposed to be made, because all I did was looked on YouTube, found somebody that made curry chicken easy, looked in the refrigerator and see what I had, and I had everything that they had in my refrigerator, so I didn't have to leave my house. And this is good. I'll put some soy sauce on the top of this. That is ridiculous. That is ridiculous. Wow. I don't even need no soy sauce. This is ridiculous. This will make me want to eat a whole bunch.